said I wouldn't do it, but I'm gonna do it.
The black widow, the bigger black widow.
We're gonna get it pulled in here and we're gonna get this thing looking right. Yeah. Oh, looks good. Oh, it's gonna look so much better, Kevin, with those tips. You know it? Wow. That car looks mean, don't it? Just mean. That tip's even crooked, see it?
I know.
Yeah. Doing my YouTube thing. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm doing something I said I wouldn't do, and that is remove the resonators and put some quad tips on the Hellcat Redeye. We're getting ready to have this done here in a minute. We're over here at let me see here, let's see if I can get their name in. We're over here at Henry's Muffler in Raleigh. This is a place to go to if you guys want to get some muffler work done or custom work done. I've went to these guys for years and years and years. There's a train. Check it out here, Henry's Muffler. That looks good, man. Yeah, check it out. They're black too. He's gonna weld it up. Sweet. Yeah, them things look good, man. They look real good. Yeah. My man's welding it up. Hey, look at that welder. Yeah. Door, yeah. He won't let you put it in here and door open. Man, that sounds good. Hey man, this is supposed to be a muffler shop, not a muscle car shop.
Oh, well, we do both.
I know, bro. Y'all do a good job, man. That's awesome. Thank you so much, man.
Absolutely.
Sounds good. You too, man. Appreciate it, dude.
We're gonna get them black widows on there. Let us know.
I know, right? I guess I need to pay up now. It's like, pay up, sucker. Mustang's rolled into the muffler shop. These things look awesome. Check this out. Yes! That sounds good. That's my son, by by the way, he's giving me a couple of revs on it. Say hey to you too, Kevin.
Hi.
What's up? So anyway, that's what a 2020 Hellcat Redeye sounds like with nothing but the resonators removed. So I've got a complete stock system. I have the catalytic converters in there. I still have the mid mufflers, which on these cars, guys, they're pretty much straight through. There's nothing in the middle of this mid mufflers. It's just maybe a little bit of fiberglass around, you know, just like kind of like a glass pack. But so now you know what a Hellcat Redeye sounds like with nothing but a resonator delete. And in my case, I went ahead and just did the quad tips because they look so much better. They look so much better. You probably can't hear me, but they do look so much better than the oval stock tips that were on here. So check this out. Yeah. Oh. Oh, it's gonna blow it up. Gonna blow it up, boy. Sounds good, man. But anyway, hey guys, if I could get some likes, and if you like these videos, please subscribe. It helps us out. If you don't subscribe to my channel, my videos just simply won't show up on other people's favorites, and my videos will never get out there into the YouTube world. So any help you guys can give me, I'd really appreciate it. But thanks for watching, and as time permits, I will try to upload some more content, and we'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. So Henry's Muffler Shop, Raleigh. There's her number, there's her information, everything. Yeah, man, he might have done here a little bit. It's gonna sound good. I can't wait. They do a good job here too, man. I brought my cars to Henry's for years and years and years. I mean, it seems like every car I've ever had.
Yeah. First stop here.
Almost within the first couple of months, it's the first stop, bro. That's right. Yep, yep.
Hey, no wrong with that.
Yes, sir.